Today we will be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Okay guys, so today we're going to be going into the Huda Nude palette. This is a really easy eye look. There's just 4 shadows involved, so I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see everything in detail. So the first shade I'll be going into is Teddy. It's this one right here, and I'm gonna put that one on my crease, and I'm just gonna use like a fluffy blending brush. And also I already primed my eyelids, I already did my eyebrows. The eyebrows hasn't changed, the routine is still the same, so that's why I didn't show all the products I use, because they're still the same.
Audio Jungle.
So now I'm gonna go into the shade Raw and put that in my crease also, but this time I'll be using a smaller fluffy brush. It'll be this one, and just darkening up that crease a little bit.
Audio Jungle.
So now I'm going to be going into Daydream, this color right here, and I'll be adding that like to the middle of the eye. And for this I'll be using my fingers and a brush, and I'll show you guys the brush in a minute. And just to the middle. Go in with this brush, and I'm going to be going into the color Love Bite. And I'm going to be adding that one in my inner corner, outer corner, and then swipe it across my crease. And I don't think I'm doing liner today. I feel that if I do liner, it takes away from the middle iridescent color. So we'll just do lashes. So now I'm going to go in with the same blending brush that I used for the shade Raw, and just blend a little bit with that other dark color that we just added. Just blend that out a little. So now I'll be going in with this brush. It's like a little flat type of concealer brush, and this is from Alamar. I'm gonna add a little bit more of Love Bite, the dark shade. I'm gonna go over everything, make sure everything is blended. And I'm just gonna be going in with the facial wipe and cleaning up a little bit, cleaning up the fallout. We won't have so much glitter. Okay guys, so today for the primer we're gonna be using the YSL. I don't know if you guys can see it. The YSL Touchy Clot primer. The reason we're going to be using this one is because I feel that my skin has been really dry lately, so I feel that maybe this will help with that. And I just added about 3 pumps. You know, I've never given the Farsali drops a try, but I think now with this whole situation that my skin is getting so dry, I think I'm gonna give them a shot. So today we're gonna be going in with the Maybelline 24-hour foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I know it's gonna be a little bit light, but we'll make it work, guys. We'll make it work. Wow, this is really light.
Jungle.
So to this, we're gonna add a little bit of the MAC NC42 in Studio Fix. Kind of make it a little bit darker. So now for concealer, we're going to be going in with the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in Beige. Okay guys, so now we're gonna set our concealer, and I'm going to be going in with the Shade and Light palette, and I'll be using the Kat Von D brush, and I'm gonna be going in with the banana powder and this like peachy one. I'm not even gonna try to say their names because you're going to get it right. So I'm just gonna go in and mix both of them. But before that, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend every crease that there might be. So now we're gonna set. So I'm gonna take my Lorac brush. This one came with the contour kit. I'm gonna be using this to kind of set on the side of my nose. And I'm gonna take this medium toned contour powder, and I'm gonna contour my nose with that one. And I'm just gonna take like a small fluffy brush to contour my nose. For the bronzing, I'll be going with the Guerlain Terracotta. I forgot to set my face. So to set whatever's left, I'm gonna be going in with the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC42. Just dusting that all over my face to set everything else. Now I'm gonna go back with the terracotta bronzer.
Audio Jungle.
So for the blush, I'll be using the Romantic Rose. This is from Milani. And I'm just gonna be going in with a blush brush. Okay guys, so now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna be going into Raw, this color right here. I'm gonna take this brush and use Raw. So then I'll be taking like a flat top brush to add the darker color. So I'll be taking this flat top brush, and I'll be going in with the shade Love Bite, this one. And I'll be adding that one like really close to my lash line. And I'm gonna blend out a little bit with a brush that I used prior. And I'm also gonna take the same brush that we use for the Daydream color, this one right here, and I'm gonna use that and put it in my inner corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust my under eye bake with this brush right here. Favorite brush for that, a little tapered brush.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So now that I took off all the powder, I'm gonna go in with the Evian facial spray. Well, set the powders a little bit, and now I'm just gonna press everything together. And let me clean up these lips because I feel they're making me look crazy right now. That just made a big difference. Okay guys, so lashes are done. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of the blush that I put, the Milani Romantic Rose, and just a little bit more. So since we did like the whole iridescent eye, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Dream Glow palette, and I'm gonna be using Unicorn, this shade right here, and I'm gonna be grabbing this packing brush right here and just ooh. Can you guys see that? That is blinding. Whoa. Well, a little bit. It's like really intense, so just a tad bit. I'm gonna grab the other side of the brush and just blend that out a little.
Audio Jungle.
And since we went like with the whole plummy vibe, I know we're still in summer, but we're only like 2 months away from fall. So I'm gonna do a plum lipstick, a dark plum lipstick. So first I'm gonna line my lips. Oh, and I'm using MAC Sword lip liner. This is the darkest plummy-ish kind of color that I have. So now I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Exorcism liquid lipstick. Okay guys, so we're done with the lips. You could leave them matte, or if you're not comfortable wearing this lip, you could also do a nude. But I'm gonna add a gloss. I'm gonna add the Anastasia Beverly Hills Gloss in Potion. But you know what, before the gloss, we are going to set the rest of the face. I can't even find my Real Techniques sponge because I have my son here with me and he loves to play with these sponges. I don't know what it is about the sponges, but he loves to play with them, so he took the orange one. I don't know where he put it. Okay, so that just helps to melt everything together. And now I'm gonna add the gloss. Okay, so we have our glossy lips. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload. See you next time.